Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're just going to have a quick look at some new tools I've bought. Well, just one set of tools. As you can see there, they're the Bahco Allen key set. So I thought I'd just jump on and have a little bit of an unboxing because they were a lot bigger than I thought they were. So I'm just going to give you some sizes just in case you want to buy some and you know how big they are. Because I could have done with them being a little bit smaller, to be honest, but I've got them now, so I will use them. So let's have a look, just a quick look at the box first. So yeah, these are the Bahco colour coded as well, as you can see. Allen key set. On the back there it tells you the sizes, so just to run through, all the way through from 1.5mm down to 10mm. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Allen keys in the set. And it just tells you at the back they've got a ball end, as you can see there, just whether you can see that in this light. Yeah, they've got a ball end, they're non-slip coating with the colours, they're non-slip. Push and lock, easy fit. An Edge Plus. Don't know what all that's about. Just an Allen key really for me. But these are the Bahco, so they're a good brand. Let's have a look in the box. Just get them out of the box there, guys. And first off, I've noticed an issue that could be a problem for some. They come in like a little holder, plastic holder there, gives you all the sizes on, but they don't hold them in place. As you can see, they're quite loose. So if these were in your tool bag, lying flat, driving along, some of them might start sliding out. You know what I mean, and rattle around in your bag, and then when you come to them you've got, you know, at least there's one missing there. You might have 2 or 3 missing that are rolling around in the bottom of your bag. So Bahco, if you're watching this, you could have done with making something that would lock the Allen keys into the holder so they don't come out on their own. And again, if you've got a tool bag and you're placing them in a tool bag upright, as soon as the bottom hits the holder, see what's happening with the holder, it slides down to the bottom. Now for the smaller ones, they may work themselves loose and drop out, so it's because of that issue again. It doesn't lock in place. It's got a little loop at the top there, guys, in case you need to hang it on the side of your bag. I mean, that would work. Perhaps that's what they're designed for, to be honest. So you need to be hanging on something for them not to drop out. But it's the length of them really that threw me, because they are quite large. So if you've got them on the side of your bag, they are quite big and bulky. So I wouldn't recommend putting them on the side of your bag, to be honest. Let's give you some measurements, guys. So yeah, the longest one there, the 10mm one, that is let's call it 240mm or 24 centimeters. So 24 centimeters is your longest part. So yeah, that's quite big, isn't it, really? I could have done with a smaller size, perhaps half the size of this, but there you go. Purchased it now, so I'll use it. And the width across there, guys, the width, let's call it 70mm or 7 centimeters. That's across the width there. So yeah, it is a quite bulky item, and then I don't like the fact that they slide out of this holder. Yes, you do need to get them out, but some kind of a locking mechanism would have worked best for me, and perhaps you guys as well. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. But yeah, I mean, the good points are Bahco, it's a good brand. They give you a good guarantee on it. I'm not quite sure, doesn't say on the box anywhere, but I believe it's a good guarantee. Yeah, there's a product code there as well, guys. I'll let you take the number off there. You can see that at the top of the box if you're interested in getting these. But yeah, they're a nice looking item. They will last you a long time. Just look after your tools. I just thought I'd jump on here and show you just what they are, what they're all about. So yeah, guys, thanks very much for watching. Please consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up if you liked today's video. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll try and get back to you, but it's quite self-explanatory, this video. Just a quick look at these. Cheers, thanks very much, guys.